In this video, we'll talk about why joint venture is the best traffic and revenue building method. According to Robert Kiyosaki, business and investing is a team sport. He said that who you know is more important than what you know. Entrepreneurs out there have all used joint ventures to make millions in minutes. This is because trust trumps both time and money. You can have all the time and all the money in the world, but trust is a commodity built from scratch. By leveraging on the speed of trust, you can easily make far more money on the internet than any other traffic generation method out there. And best of all, JV traffic is free, and you don't have to spend a lot of money when you have the trust of others. In the next video, we will talk about what joint ventures were like 10 years ago versus today.